it's Miss Martinez with you once again. Today we're going to fix a healthy snack. First thing we do is make sure you wash your hands. If you have gloves, it would be a wise idea for you to wear gloves. What we're going to do today is we're going to make a little salad. First thing you're going to do is I have the baby. It's called baby green salad. You can put as much as you like. I also have some shredded chicken. I'm going to put some tomatoes in there, some carrots, green olives, and then we're going to mix them. Once you have a mix, you can either put just a little bit of your favorite dressing, ranch. I have vinegar and oil. You'll put some of that in there. Then we have a tiny little tortilla, flour tortilla. What I like to use is pita pockets, but I could not find them at the store. So all you do is put your little salad on your tortilla. If you want to add a little bit more of the chicken, and there you go. All you have to do is put your little dressing on top of it, and you have a little salad on a tortilla. I hope you have a good day and enjoy yourself and be careful. Goodbye.